Tonight, we have learned the efforts to help heroin addicts is reaching new heights. Our investigators are told that with 4 months left in the year, the city of Indianapolis is close to surpassing the amount of Narcan given compared to last year. Narcan is used to help heroin addicts recover from an overdose. And as of today, the city has provided 616 doses of Narcan. That's compared to last year with 629. We're told the city could possibly break the record by this weekend. First responders are treating at least 4 heroin patients every day right here in Marion County.